Welcome back to RJ Aura classes. In day 1, we learned what biology is and why concepts matter.
Do you know what is life? Let me explain. Life refers to all organisms that grow, respond, and reproduce. Living things are active and organized. Let's see what is living and non-living. Plants, animals, and humans are living. Stone, table, and book are non-living. How do we characterize living things? Living organisms show growth, metabolism, and response to stimuli. These features help us identify life. For example, a plant grows slowly but surely. A car moves, but it is not living. Movement alone is not life.
At last, when you understand basics clearly, advanced biology becomes easy. Attend day 3 to strengthen your foundation further. If you want to join paid batches, you can fill the form in the comments. Thank you for learning with RJ Aura classes.